Starting the day off right. Famous Dr. Pete's. 40 grams of protein, 180 calories. Absolutely insane. And the fact of the matter, we just have not gone grocery shopping in like 2 weeks. So we just are gonna go have to do that right now. Shout out to Tyler from Amp Subs. He reached out to me a little bit ago. He was like, he wanted to send me some of his pre-workout. And this is his black cherry pre-workout that he was talking about. It's got 5 grams of creatine in it, 3.2 grams of beta-alanine. See how much caffeine it has. 300 milligrams of caffeine. Yeah, so I'm interested to see what it's like. We're gonna try it out today for this squat workout. Honestly, it's like pretty surreal that like companies are like reaching out to me and like trying to like send me stuff. I'm really cool with Kevin, the owner of 110%. I use this pre-workout like all the time. Are you ready to quit wasting our time?
Okay, I'm not even going.
What the fuck? Grounds, you see this shit?
Are we getting more ground beef and rice?
Not rice, ground.
Just ground beef. Always are supposed to be sipping on a Gatorade. And they taste better if you drink them out of styrofoam. Oh my god, yo! I actually hate you.
What does that do?
I think is it cleaning? I see that like that.
Camera on it.
There's a camera on it, but
Square up with that thing. It's way more money than it's worth.
Fair enough, yeah. The whole time.
Yeah, just give it a look.
All right, we're done. We're back!
And we're back.
Kick that bitch open.
Hey, yo! Hey, yo!
Yo, who are these people in my apartment, bro?
Who's got the camera?
Yeah, we live, dude, we live! It's like so weird, like, sitting in front of the camera. I'm like not used to it at all.
I don't mind it that much. I just don't like have the time to edit YouTube videos.
I don't think I have the time either. I might have to hire an editor. So we're about to head to the gym real quick. Had to swap out the footwear real quick. We switched from the Court Purples to
Shut up!
the BioX. Don't ever speak to me ever.
Don't look at me.
Don't look at me. Don't think about me. I don't know how you get into the gym because you're not in our car.
Why are you here in this apartment? This is my apartment.
No. Sir. Ching, ching, ching. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we're at East Coast right now. Liam's squatting with me. Tom's deadlifting. Tom, what do you have a deadlift at?
I got 3x4 closed deadlifts.
Jay's just wasting everyone's time. He's not actually working out. Oh my god. Liam, you have a squat single at 7, right? Alright, sweet. And then
I don't know what's gonna be at.
I got a single at 6 to 7. Probably thinking 6:15, 6:35.
The only thing I don't like about this is the
I get the drip on walk, carry up, come walk with me. A bad bitch wanna start on me, she suck on my dick, her brains on me.
deep breath.
Timing, 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 all about timing, timing, timing.
Good.
Relaxing and reclining, he does not care when I'm lying. Taking all these minutes to we set our positions to have. These niggas, they sit just for them. Cause there's no air on my shell. That's in my face when we run your place and we need every conversation. You didn't say this, I know that guy is a ladies and I'm a place that I'm gonna sleep on. They gotta figure out how I'm gonna get off and deal with my bad, but I'm waiting. I feel like I'm ace. Give it to me, but she got me like that. Cause you know who's even when I wanna pay. All these niggas getting dodgy. When we see them, it's a body. Sosa, all the niggas looking moody. Fabi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the room ski. Ball in the summer like Julie. Champagne got me loopy. This is not looking groovy. All the niggas looking moody. Hey, I'm giving them energy. I give up the hands. I get two shots to the end.
Alright, so we're back from our workout. I finished up my squat session with a 3x6 of 495. I didn't record it because it's not that eventful. We got the 100 figure 8 straps, Pug the Goats brand. Just got some plain old black Nike socks from Foot Locker because I was testing out my profiles for sneaker botting, which I'll show you guys a piece of. But Cobra Athletics, they sent me some clothes. Actually, all looks really nice. He sent me a stringer, sent me a t-shirt, and like the material, like it feels like pretty high quality. I want to bench in the stringer tomorrow because I feel like when you bench in a stringer, your back sticks to the bench better. Got a face mask that we all need. I think my favorite part about all this was these shorts that he sent. Just like, I like the lower cut shorts or the higher cut shorts that just like sit higher up on your legs, show off quads. But like these, it's like, we got like a white camera right here that he sent. It's like really nice quality, like it feels really good. I'm actually really excited to see how these feel and how they fit on me. Alright, it's Tuesday. Did homework and slept all day, and now we're ready to go to the gym. Got the Cobra Athletic shorts on. Can you shut the fuck up? Should I hit these girls? What's up? Do you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's go! Thinking someone out there watching me. Who's that creeping through my window? I'm outside. Info. Show my ass up, know what a nigga on, fucking out the neck. Cool dogs coming in on the op, nigga got a coke covered blanket. Cold beat, can a nigga burger tell me nothing, and something got it.
Selling 2 for 5, yeah. Right on Central Drive, yeah. You can ask my mama, I ain't gotta tell no lie, yeah. I listen to your mixtape, that shit was whack. Back in the day, I let my uncle cook my crack. Back in the day, I wouldn't.
Alright, well we got back from the gym, finished with some shoulder and bicep accessories. Yo, get the fuck out. Anyways, yeah, we just finished up the workout. I'm gonna cut the vlog there. We're gonna pick up tomorrow probably with deadlifts. That'll probably be uploaded later this week. There's one more thing.